Are you looking to enhance the performance of your Magento 2 store? Magento 2 unit testing is a game changer when it comes to maintaining code quality and boosting the overall efficiency of your store. Magento unit testing is the process of testing individual components of your Magento store to ensure they function as expected. It's like making sure each piece of the puzzle fits perfectly before assembling the entire picture. Magento 2 unit testing helps developers catch bugs early in the development process so they don't become more significant issues later on. It also makes it easier to modify your code safely because you know any changes you make will be checked by the tests you've already written. One essential tool for unit testing in Magento 2 is PHP-Unit, which is used to write and run these tests. Now, let's talk about the benefits of Magento 2 unit testing. First, it helps find problems early, which is crucial for avoiding big headaches down the road. You don't want to discover a significant issue just before launching an update, right? Another advantage is that unit testing supports changes in the future. If you need to upgrade or refactor part of your store, unit tests ensure that everything still works as expected after the changes. Unit testing also forces developers to think about design from the get-go. This means you get better, more maintainable code. Plus, the tests serve as excellent documentation, showing how different parts of the code are supposed to behave in all kinds of situations. Running unit tests in Magento 2 is simple. Open your terminal, navigate to the root directory of your Magento installation, and use this command. This runs all unit tests in one go. If you only want to test a specific module, you can use a command like this. Just replace your module with the actual module name you're testing. We hope this guide to Magento 2 unit testing has been helpful. Like this video, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights on improving your Magento store's performance.